Alright guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Fujinon 18-55, the legendary kit lens. Most of the time this kit lens comes with a camera body, but some vendors sell it separately. They sell the kit lens and body separately. So I guess very few have seen this kit lens in its own box. So today I'm gonna unbox it, this kit lens in its own box. Okay, let me just open the box. As usual, we have user manuals, some specs, and a warranty card. Okay, down below we see the key lens and the lens cap. This is the lens cap, plastic. Okay, it's kind of big, and this is our kit lens. Wow, gorgeous. It's all metal built, and most important, it's made in Japan. Nowadays very few kit lenses are made in Japan. Okay, this is a focus ring, and this is a zoom. This is aperture ring. This lens has a very premium feel, very solid. Okay, let's look from the front. It's a big chunk of glass. From the back, gorgeous. Okay, let's hook it up with my X-T3 body. Cool. Look from the top, from one side, from the other side. Check out from the front. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna do a very quick and dirty autofocus test. The zoom, I'm gonna set to 18, and the ISO and shutter, I'm gonna set to auto. The F mode single point, and the performance, I'm gonna say to boost. Okay, let's get started. I missed a couple shots, but generally speaking, it's quite good. It's quite good.